Hey, how's it going? I wanted to get right into it and see what is in my Ipsy Glam BAG Plus that I got this month of October. I'm excited to see what's in it as usual, but this is after some changes, so I wonder if I'm gonna actually get that glam bag. So Ipsy provides a glam bag and it's, you know, $10, which is now gonna be $12 a month. Comes in a small little bag. Now Ipsy Glam BAG Plus, which is like the upgraded box, they said that they're gonna start including a glam bag. So I wonder if it's in here. We'll find out. Well, let's just dive on in and see what we got going on in this box. The box on the outside is a little different. It's a different shade of pink. It's not as a hot pink. It's more of a mellow, looks like a starburst, strawberry. And then yes, and this little logo is a little different. And it says, "To you from you." Show me something good. Show me something good. It's my chant I say to it. 60% of the time, it works every time. Dude, I'm just like constantly doing a movie quote. Where was that from? Please tell me. Do not disappoint. So let's see what we got in here. Whoop. Discover yourself. Flaunt it. Let's start obsessing over what we love about ourselves. It's time to show off what makes you feel beautiful, girl. Get it. And then of course it shows what all's in there. Ooh, right off the bat, I feel like this is a twofer. I mean, it's 2-in-1 package, right? Power Gloss, Namaste All Day, and Serene Queen. I have a pillowcase that says Namaste in bed. I just thought it was so funny. It was like on clearance at Walmart. It was like $1. I was like, okay, this is funny. But anyway, so Namaste All Day and Serene Queen. Wow, look at that pretty pink shades here. We've got a lighter one and a little bit of a darker one. And they definitely have a shimmer effect. It has like a gold shimmer color in it. Let's see. Ooh, it's a little sticky. I wonder if it will be that sticky on your lips. Oh, wow, when I put it on my hand, you can really see the gold reflecting off of that. It's kind of sheer. It's a gloss for sure. And the darker one is not as sheer. It definitely is pink, and the gold on there is shining bright. It's reflecting a lot of light there. It's a little sticky. It's a gloss for sure, but it feels nice. Jules Smith Beauty Power Duo in Namaste All Day, or Namaste All Day, and Serene Queen, Namaste. So it's saying that it's just a gloss that gives high shine, moisture, and it has vitamin A and E, and it has a hint of shimmer. It values for $32. Geez, Louis. That's Louise's cousin. Wow. 32. Let's go on to our next item. I reached in and found a Glossier Milky Oil Waterproof Makeup Remover. Cool. It's a big old makeup remover. Look at that. Interesting packaging. Straight to the point. I think that's, you know, a lot of times they go for that. So yeah, it's to the point instructions. It's pretty much saying put it on cotton swab and wipe away your makeup. And even if you're wearing waterproof makeup, Milky Oil. Sometimes when I use certain makeup removers, they kind of irritate my eyes, especially if I'm wearing contacts. So I hope that this won't do that. I hope it's kind of gentle when it comes to that. Even some wipes have problems. Ooh! We did get a bag! I just noticed it. I'm sorry, I peeked. I glanced over there. It's at the bottom. Should I reveal it now? Or should I? Let's go ahead and reveal it. Because that's the first thing we look at, right? Yeah, look at there. I didn't even notice it there until just like when I glanced over. Okay, look here. This is our bag. It doesn't seem that big. It has Betty Boop on it. And it has a little heart. Is this any bigger than the Ipsy bags? Maybe that's why they just like included it at the bottom of the box. Look at that, cute. Betty Boop Ipsy. And it's red on the inside. Okay, and it has the sequins on this side. You can make yourself a little message. Can you read this? It comes up nicely on the camera. That was actually kind of hard to do. I love you. I love you not. I Actually, I want to compare this. I'm going to compare this to another Ipsy bag so we can get a scale. Let me go grab one. So this is our Ipsy Glam bag, and of course, this is our brand new Ipsy Glam BAG Plus. And I thought it was probably going to be like way bigger, but you know what? It's only slightly bigger. You see what I mean? Interesting. I mean, it is bigger, but just slightly. See, here's the inside of this guy. I don't know if I can really, if you can tell, like, I mean, I guess it is bigger, right? But it really is by a little. Anyway, whatever. Sorry for interrupting Glossier's moment. When I looked over, I saw it and I was like, oh man, there it is. Glossier Milky Oil Waterproof Makeup Remover. Like I was saying, I hope it doesn't mess with my contacts. I hope it's gentle. So it says that it has like weightless oil and it melts eye makeup, and it says that it conditions skin, and it has comfrey root extract and provitamin B5. It says shake well to combine, squeeze onto a cotton swab, and wipe away makeup. And that retails for $12. I thought that would be more. I guess, you know, it's just makeup remover at the end of the day, right? But sometimes even just makeup remover can have a hefty price tag. Not bad price. Okay, so let's see what our third item is. I got Purlisse Blue Lotus Brightening Serum. Okay, wow. So Brightening Serum, it has 9 powerful plant extracts that work together to visibly improve uneven skin tone. Look at that little packaging here. Cute. It has flowers on it. It reduces dark spots. Let's see what it looks like here. Oh, it's just a nice little cream. Oh, feels nice and light. Feels very light, actually. That's good. Nice. Purlisse Blue Lotus Brightening Serum, bring on the glow. It's antioxidant rich, and it says it's a lightweight serum, which I can attest to. It is absolutely lightweight. Kind of just disappeared on my hand, which was very nice. And it says it has 9 plant extracts to nurture, brighten, hydrate, and repair your skin. Ooh. Pat a pea-sized amount of the serum onto clean skin, let it absorb, and then follow with your go-to moisturizer. So you put it on before your moisturizer. Okay. Huh. Interesting. Cool. Oh, how much is that though? It was, and that retails for $65. Jeez. Dang. Okay, I'll take it. All right, let's keep going. Here we've got Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion. I actually have this. I got it from my BoxyCharm box a while ago. So it's an age-defying exfoliator. I know from past experiences that I actually do like this. It's very gentle exfoliator. It has very small little micro beads. You can just gently exfoliate. It's nice. Whenever I personally use exfoliators, I like to really target my nose and around it. That's why I like to use it most. So I like this one because it is very gentle. So I'm happy to get some more of it, and I know that this ain't cheap. Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age-Defying Exfoliator. It's like a trip to the derm in a jar. A mixture of lactic acid and microcrystals. Yeah, so I'm telling you, there are tiny little crystals in there. And it says that, you know, brushes away the day and reveals brighter and tighter skin for soothing blend of jojoba and chamomile and aloe vera, help reduce redness. And this, yeah, whew, this retails for $79. $79 right there. Pretty awesome. We're getting some good stuff in here. Our last item here, it's Betty Boop. Betty Boop and Ipsy, so that's where it tied into. I wonder what the heck this is. I don't know. I'm guessing it. Oh, yep. It's an eyeshadow palette. Betty Boop. Maybe it's just Ipsy's stuff and they just did themed Betty Boop. I don't know. Okay, let's open her up and see. For those of you who really are into Betty Boop, I know there's a lot of people that really like love her. I just, you know, I don't really think anything. It's like, okay. They're all shimmery. There's only one matte color. It's interesting. It's a cool palette. I think I would pair this with other things, but you never know. Let's see how it feels, to tell you the truth. Oh, it feels nice. It is nice. And the glitter is not too intense. Let's swatch this guy. Swatch what happens live. So it looks like it is nice. It's pigmented. Pretty cool. I like it. Yeah, I think I could have fun with that. A lot of neutral colors here, but you know, that's not necessarily bad by any means. Looks pigmented. That purple is beautiful. Looking forward to using that. You know what? Since I have this on my hand right now, let me just go ahead and try it out, and let's get a cotton ball and try this Glossier. Okay, let's see. Ooh, yeah, nice. And it works. Just smells like any makeup remover, really. And let's see about residue. That's what I always worry about. There is a little bit of a residue, but it's not like, oh, my face is oily. But there is one. I wonder if it'll absorb nicely though, because that being said, you know, sometimes it just absorbs away. And you don't want your skin to be dry also. Well, it does work though. There's that. It does work. Okay, so back to Betty Boop. Yeah, so pretty cool. Ipster exclusive eyeshadow palette is here to help you obsess over you with 8 buildable hues. So that's cool that you can build with them, and I'm sure they're highly blendable. And it also says to apply with your fingers to get a huge color payoff, and that retails for $30. Okay, wow. Ooh, caught it with my calves. Caught it with my calves. Oh my. Oh, I just saw a shadow that scared the crap out of me. Okay, look at there. I'd say that's a pretty good box. Not my favorite box in the world by any means, only because, I don't know, I'm not that excited about this guy just because I don't know. It doesn't seem like that good of a range of colors, but I'm not gonna knock it too hard. I gotta play around with it. Maybe, who knows, it might be my favorite thing ever. So that's why I don't want to be too harsh and say that I don't like this box, because I'll mess around with this. It could be worse, you know what I mean? And then this guy, it's a lot. I'm happy with how much there is there. If anything, I mean, I needed some, honestly. I don't have any. This is interesting. It's nifty. It feels nice on my lips. You know, it's sticky, it's gloss. It doesn't like take over when you put it on, which is always good. And then these two are my winners. This one, not that pumped about though, because I have it, you know what I mean? So, I mean, but that's not Ipsy's fault. This is a good guy. I really do like this stuff. Well, I got my one a long time ago, and I have well more than half of it. I've only used it about 3 times actually. I've only ever used it, and I've had it for maybe more than a year. For those of you who do like to exfoliate your face often, this is a good one. I actually really do like this. But having already had it, maybe that's what makes me feel like this is not my favorite box in the world, because you want every product to be like, yeah. And then the bag, you know, it's whatever. The bag's not that great. I mean, I like how it's red on the inside, but maybe if I have a friend who really likes Betty Boop, I'll give this to her or him and see, you know. It's whatever. I was just hoping that it was gonna be a big bag. I always try to stuff stuff in those Ipsy smaller bags, and it just doesn't work. So when I heard that Ipsy Glam BAG Plus was getting a bag, I was really hoping. My dog just ran in here, grabbed her toy, and just ran out. But like, she did it very aggressively. And then she like ran away and slipped and slid on the linoleum. Anywho. Well, so yeah, you want a bigger bag, right? But it's fine. I am excited to see what all designs they have, how they change it up, how they make it different. So it'll be fun. So let's tally her up. We've got an item for $65, $79, $30, $12, and $32. I mean, you can't beat those prices. So that all came out to $218. So yeah, that's a great value. But like I've said in the past, you know, it's what you guys like. Even if it's a great value, all that really matters is if you really like it or not. And all that being said, there are some things that I'm not that excited about in this box, but I wouldn't call it a dud by any means. Let me know what you guys thought of these products, or what you guys got if you guys got different things. And let me also know what you thought of this bag, right? Like, I don't know. I hope you guys had a good time hanging out. I obviously had a great time hanging out with you guys, and I'll catch you later.